The year is 2357, a time when humanity has gone beyond the confines of Earth, reaching out to the stars. Aboard the state-of-the-art spaceship, Helios II, a team of elite astronauts embarks on an epic-making voyage to Venus, a defining frontier in the journey of human exploration. The ship cuts through the vast void of space, its sleek design glistening against the backdrop of innumerable stars. The narrative opens with a breathtaking shot of the Helios II approaching Venus, the planet's magnificent glowing atmosphere filling the frame in ultra-high definition. Thick, swirling clouds gently shimmer with an ethereal glow, creating a mesmerizing visual as the spaceship descends into the Venusian atmosphere. As the team prepares for landing, viewers witness the advanced suits of the astronauts, each suit equipped with technology allowing humans to navigate the harsh conditions of Venus. The landing itself is an intense sequence, a combination of tension and triumph as the Helios II touches down on the alien surface. Upon landing, the scene transitions to the astronauts stepping onto Venus, each footstep leaving a mark on the rough, rocky terrain. They are surrounded by an alien landscape, veiling countless mysteries beneath its thick atmospheric clouds, mesmerizing yet challenging. With precision, they deploy cutting-edge robotic rovers and drones, scanning and sampling the surface. These drones relay data crucial for habitation and research back to Earth. The visuals portray an advanced HUD, head-up display, providing real-time information to the astronauts, intensifying the immersive experience. In the heart of this alien world, the crew faces their first challenge when an unexpected atmospheric storm rolls in. Thick, orange dust clouds swirl violently, but the professional skill of the astronauts and their technology triumph as they stabilize their operations. Human perseverance shines as they begin constructing futuristic habitats with modular units. These habitats stand as symbols of human resilience and ambition against the odds. The video closes with a futuristic musical score, capturing the essence of triumph and new beginnings, a testament to human endeavor and unity. The view fades to black as the tagline appears: Voyage to Venus, humanity's first steps.